saying the gopis enter the Ras Leela in ecstasy, but after hearing Krishna's words of negligence and detachment, Krishna Shuni Upeksha Vachan. Upeksha means neglect. Go home, what are you doing here? Krishna Mukha Hasyavani, Tyage Taha Satyamani, Roshe Krishna Dena Olohana. After hearing Krishna's words of rejection, negligence, and detachment, they understood that he's going to renounce them. Krishna is going to show his opulences, his Sadaishvarya Purna, Aishvaryasya Samagrasya Viryasya Yashashashriya. So Krishna has these 6 opulences, and this is not the time to show your opulence of tyag. In the presence of the most beloved beauties in creation, the coward damsels of Brajabhumi, it's not the time to say, I'm busy now, and I just came out to play my flute at night to see if the lilies would open when I played my flute. I didn't have any other reason. Why you came? By chance, you must have made a mistake. You thought I was calling you. I was actually just playing my flute for the lilies so they would open up under the full moonlight. And I could enjoy their beauty. No. So what is this? Krishna Mukha Hasyavani? Because Krishna Mukha Hasyavani. Krishna Mukha. So he was speaking his Vani. He was speaking his Vani and laughing or smiling. Yeah, and they're saying, what is this? Krishna Mukha, his mouth is smiling, and Tyaga, Satyamani, and it seems like he's speaking with truth here, Satya. And they're thinking that what is this? So then the gopis, they become angry. And how do they reply? Alohana. Alohana means Bhartsana. Bhartsana means, wow, rebuking, chastising.